Did you know your Android phone comes default with tracking you, tracking your information, and listening into your conversations? There are a number of things that are turned on by default that you really want to make sure they're turned off. We're going to turn them all off by going into our settings. Now scroll down and find the section for Google under Accounts and Backup and tap on that. At the top, tap the All Services button to see Google's services including privacy and security. The first recommendation is to go to Personalize using shared data. This setting lets Google and various apps share all your data, including your location history, messages, and searches. This is not essential for using your phone. It's just sharing personal data with other companies, so I recommend turning those off. Next, go back and tap on Usage and Diagnostics. This sends data to Google about which apps you use, how often, for how long, and which websites you visit. There's no reason to share that information, so turn that off. The last thing in the Google section is to tap on Ads. If you're talking out loud, typing, searching, or messaging, it gathers that information to show you ads. To prevent this, tap on Reset Advertising ID to clear previously gathered information and then tap Delete Advertising ID so there is no ID associated with your phone usage. There is no option on my mobile because I have already done it. Now, return to the beginning of your settings and choose Security and Privacy. Then tap More Privacy Settings at the very bottom. Turn off Personal Data Intelligence, which allows apps to read your messages and location. Also, tap on Send Diagnostic Data, uncheck it, and hit OK. You should also turn off Android personalization services, as you don't need to share your app usage for personalized content. Midway down, tap on Android System Intelligence. This involves device learning based on the apps and people you interact with. Tap on Clear Data at the bottom and clear it for all time. Finally, a big culprit is the keyboard. Tap on that and make sure Show Smart Text Suggestions is turned off. This feature reads all your messages to advertise to you better under the veil of making the experience better, but they are ultimately just gathering your information. I hope this video helps you take control of your privacy. If you found it helpful, please leave a like and comment below if you have any issues. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.